Tennis club renovates its courts and tosses out a bunch of perfectly good green carpet. This guy decides to do something crazy with it. He's upholstering his car with it. Who knows why? Maybe he's trying to be eco-friendly, or maybe he's just practicing his upholstery skills. Anyway, it's turning out pretty good. He is very verbose. Not an inch has been left unupholstered. Whatever the reason, one thing is for sure. This car is going to turn heads. LOL. What do you think of the result? Would you drive a car like that?